Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to change your password in Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your sign-in details and sign in. Now on your screen you can see options like chats, stories, search bar, share a thought, create new message, your old conversation, and finally menu option. The menu option is at the top left corner. Tap on it, then go to settings. Once you go to settings, all you have to do is scroll down and find account center. Under account center you have to select see more in account centers. Then all you have to do is find password and security, which is almost at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. Then you can see options like change password, two-factor authentication and save login, etc. Select change password, then select Facebook. Under there, all you have to do is give your current password, make sure you don't make any error, then type in new password. You have to retype your new password, then they might send you a code to your email or your phone number. Type in that code, then select continue. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your password in Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.